G'day folks, it's Ricko here with another great easy tip, and today we're going to talk about your trailer's breakaway system, what it does and how it works. The breakaway system that comes standard on a lot of easy trail trailers is designed to do exactly what the name suggests, and that is to activate the brakes in the event that the trailer breaks away from the vehicle. So it's fitted with a pin, which is this pin here, and this is connected back to the tow bar. Whenever this is engaged, the trailer brakes will work as they should, but when it's disengaged, the trailer brakes will activate automatically, meaning that if the trailer comes away from the vehicle, this is going to disengage and the brakes are going to activate and keep the trailer basically slowing down as quickly as humanly possible. One thing that's worth noting is the breakaway system is actually powered by the trailer's batteries. So you can go ahead and pull this out and the brakes are going to activate. But what's happening now is this is drawing current from the batteries that are stored inside the trailer, and eventually those batteries are going to go flat, and when that happens the brakes are going to disengage. So this is not something that can be used as an anti-theft deterrent or as a second braking system on a hill or something like that. It's designed to work for short periods of time. It's important to note that when you're connecting your breakaway system to the vehicle, you don't necessarily want to put this on the chains themselves or even on the shackle themselves. You want to connect this directly to the tow bar. That way, in the event that one of the chains fail or the D-shackle fails, you're still connected to the vehicle and it's still going to work exactly as it was intended if the worst were to happen. And that's your Easy Trails breakaway system in a nutshell, and the best thing is that it's a standard inclusion on most Easy Trail campers and caravans. For more great tips, tricks, hints and hacks, make sure you check out Easy Trail's Facebook page, and hey, while you're online, duck over to their YouTube channel and subscribe to that as well. Easy Trail, they really are making camping easy.